Maultier or Sd.Kfz in the game given to series of half-track trucks used by Germany during World War II. They were based on Opel, Mercedes-Benz, Alfa Romeo or Ford trucks. Soon after invading the USSR, German troops discovered that their wheeled transport vehicles were unsuitable for the sparse road network, particularly in the muddy conditions of the Rasputitsa. Only half-trucks like the Sd.Kfz 11 could haul supplies to forward units in these conditions, but removing them from their combat role for supply duties was not feasible, so it was decided to produce half-track version of standard Opel, Daimler-Benz, Alfa Romeo and Ford trucks, lorries, by removing their rear axles, truncating the prop shafts and connecting them to redundant Panzer I trucks assemblies. Heavier trucks, 4 tons payload, were fitted with Panzer II truck assemblies. Horseman suspension components employed by the Panzer I was practically identical to the light tank truck system used on the Universal Carrier, with the Maultiers' use of them closely resembling the road wheel suspension system used by the T16 American-produced version in its road wheel design. Most Maultier conversions were based on Opel Blitz Model S trucks, which proved successful in service. Although they lacked the overall mobility of purpose-built half-trucks, they were cheaper and sufficiently effective. From 1943, some Maultier trucks were fitted with armored bodies, designed Sd.Kfz-4. Some of these were armed with 10-tube rocket launcher Panzerwerfer 42 and were designed Sd.Kfz-4-1. The vehicles were built by Opel at the Glockner Humboldt Deutsch AG and also in France in the Ford factory in Asnières. In 1942, a total of 635 vehicles were produced. 1943, there were 1,300 and 1944, only 7,310. In service from 1941 to 1945. Designed in 1941, the number of vehicles produced 20,945. Vehicle carb weight 3,900 kilograms to 5,500 kilograms. Length from 5.95 meters to 7.9 meters. Width from 225 meters to 236 meters. Height from 2.1 meter to 3.2 meters. The vehicle was equipped with a 3.6-liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine that could accelerate the Maultier to 38 kilometers per hour.